Ever wondered how to turn your creative passion into a thriving financial venture? You, as an artist, painting your masterpiece not just on canvas, but also in your financial life. But where do you start? How do you navigate the intricate world of money management while staying true to your craft? As an independent artist, managing your own finances can feel like painting a masterpiece with no blueprint. But just like a well-executed canvas, successful financial planning for independent artists requires patience, precision, and creativity. This video will be your guide, offering practical tips and strategies to help you achieve financial independence while staying true to your artistic vision. So, let's dive in. 1. Create a financial plan. Crafting a financial blueprint is the pivotal first stroke on the canvas of financial independence. Much like outlining a masterpiece, it sets the stage for success. Start by envisioning your income streams, ranging from art sales to royalties, and meticulously gauge your earnings potential. Then, delve into the world of expenses, encompassing everything from studio rent to travel costs, ensuring no detail is overlooked. With a clear vision of your financial landscape, it's time to sculpt your aspirations into tangible goals. Whether it's a new studio space or top-notch equipment, articulate your dreams and strategize the steps to achieve them. The next stroke involves translating your vision into a practical budget, guiding your financial journey with precision. This isn't a static process, but rather an evolving masterpiece. Regular reflection and adjustment ensure your financial canvas evolves alongside your artistic journey. 2. Track your incomes and expenses. With your financial blueprint in hand, it's crucial to track your journey's progress, akin to stepping back to admire your canvas. Record every stroke of income and expenditure, each contributing to the evolving masterpiece of your financial independence. Keep meticulous records, capturing every dollar earned and spent, providing invaluable insights into your financial health. Regular reviews serve as checkpoints on your journey, guiding adjustments and optimizations along the way. This isn't just about balance sheets, it's about honing your financial craft, leveraging insights to enhance your artistic pursuits. 3. Plan for taxes. Dive into the realm of tax obligations. You're not just an artist, you're the CEO of your creative enterprise. Embrace it. Think income tax, self-employment tax, the whole shebang. Now, saving for taxes. Set aside 25 to 30% of your income, like stashing treasure in your artistic vault. It's not glamorous, but it's necessary to keep the creative flame burning bright. Track your deductions like a treasure hunt. Every art supply, every inch of studio space counted all. Your deductions are the secret passages leading to financial freedom. Remember, planning for taxes isn't a dull chore, it's your masterpiece in the making. By understanding, saving, and tracking, you're not just an artist. You're a financial maestro orchestrating your own success. 4. Set up an emergency fund. You're riding the waves of artistic success when suddenly a storm hits. That's where the magic of an emergency fund comes in. An emergency fund is your secret weapon against life's unexpected curveballs. It's not for splurging. It's your shield against flat tires, leaky roofs, and other surprises. How much to save? Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses, a safety net woven from threads of financial security. Start small, build steady. Every sale, every payment, a portion finds its way into your emergency fund. It's the slow burn that lights the path to financial resilience. Setting up an emergency fund may not be the flashy highlight of your artistic journey, but it's the unsung hero that allows you to dance fearlessly with your creative muse. After all, what's art without the freedom to explore? 5. Invest in your art business. Now you might raise an eyebrow. Investing. But I paint canvases, not Wall Street portfolios. Fear not, this isn't about stocks. It's about smart spending to foster your craft. Here's the scoop. Elevate your materials. Cutting costs may seem savvy, but superior materials elevate your product. Opting for quality enhances your final piece, potentially boosting both prices and sales. Upgrade your tools. Painters, sculptors, or digital creators, listen up. Investing in superior tools not only streamlines your process but enhances the caliber of your output. Hone your craft. The learning curve never plateaus. Engage in workshops, webinars, or online courses. Investing in skills perpetuates growth, artistically and financially. Promote your masterpiece. You could be the next artistic luminary, but if your work remains unknown, sales languish. Invest in marketing, be it a sleek website, social media campaigns, or professional PR. Investing in your art business necessitates expenditure, true. However, these outlays aren't just costs. They're strategic investments for long-term returns. 6. Diversify your income streams. While it might sound like finance speak, it's a game changer in the realm of financial planning for artists. Essentially, it's about hedging your bets. Here's the lowdown. Originals are splendid, yet time-consuming and pricey. By offering prints or merch adorned with your art, you expand your reach at a friendlier price point. Share your expertise through workshops, private tutoring, or digital courses. Not only does it pad your income, but it also cements your authority in your niche. Custom pieces can be a lucrative avenue. Signal your availability for commissions, inviting patrons to own bespoke creations. Permit businesses or individuals to feature your art in their endeavors. Each usage fetches a fee and amplifies your exposure to broader audiences. Diversification isn't about juggling everything at once. It's about cultivating multiple income streams to weather fluctuations. 7. Get insured. In the exhilarating world of creativity, financial independence isn't just a goal, it's the cornerstone of your artistic journey. But what if unforeseen circumstances threaten to derail your passion? Your beloved studio engulfed in flames, or your prized camera vanishing into thin air. Sounds like a nightmare, right? That's where insurance swoops in as your unsung hero. Explore a realm of possibilities with various insurance options tailored to safeguard your artistic empire. From shielding your studio and equipment against perils to defending against unexpected liabilities, each policy is a brushstroke in your masterpiece of financial security. 8. Plan for retirement. While retirement planning might not be the flashiest topic on your canvas, it's a vital stroke in your financial opus. Envision a future where you can gracefully retire your tools and embrace the leisurely rhythm of life. The key? Starting early. Embrace the magic of compound interest by seeding your retirement account with even modest contributions. Whether it's a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA, each deposit is a brushstroke towards your golden years. Set achievable monthly goals, dive into strategic investments, and automate your savings to watch your retirement nest egg flourish. In the grand tapestry of financial planning, securing your dreams and crafting a retirement masterpiece isn't just a choice, it's your legacy in the making. 9. Educate yourself on financial management. Feeling lost? Don't worry, there's a treasure trove of resources waiting for you. Books like I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi, or The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey decode financial jargon into plain English, making money matters a breeze. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy offer affordable courses to empower you with financial know-how at your own pace and convenience. Let money wisdom accompany you on the go, transforming your commute into a classroom with entertaining insights and actionable tips. Connect with fellow artists, navigating the financial maze, exchanging stories, strategies, and support to thrive in your journey to financial independence. Remember, taking the reins of your financial destiny doesn't have to be daunting. A little knowledge can go a long way, unleashing the power to sculpt your financial future. 10. Seek professional advice. Even the most visionary artists benefit from expert financial counsel. It's like having a master stylist perfect your look. Financial advisors wield the expertise to maximize your creative earnings, guiding you toward prosperity. But where to find your financial wizard? Consider these pointers. Look for certified financial planners, CFPs, and certified public accountants, CPAs, whose credentials guarantee expertise and reliability. Your financial advisor should understand the nuances of the artistic journey, so seek someone with a track record of assisting creatives like you. Understand how your advisor charges, whether flat fees, asset-based fees, or commissions, to ensure transparency and alignment with your needs. Beyond qualifications, choose someone you vibe with, whose guidance you trust implicitly, and with whom you can freely communicate. Remember, navigating the financial landscape as an artist doesn't mean going solo. Investing in professional advice can be the key to unlocking your artistic potential and securing your financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Remember, your artistic journey deserves financial empowerment.